Downloading data from Booking.com can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. Here is a simple guide to help you through it. Step 1. Create an account. If you don't already have an account on Booking.com, visit the website and sign up. You will need to provide your email address and create a password. Step 2. Log into your account. Once you have an account, log in using your credentials. This will give you access to your personal dashboard where you can manage your bookings and preferences. Step 3. Navigate to your data section. After logging in, look for a section related to your account settings or data management. This is usually found in the profile or account menu. Step 4. Request data download. In the data management section, there should be an option to download your data. Click on this option and follow any prompts to specify the type of data you want to download. Step 5. Confirm and download. After making your selections, confirm your request. You may receive an email notification once your data is ready for download. Follow the link provided in the email to access and download your data. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully download your data from Booking.com. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to the customer support for assistance.